Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So if you're clicking on this video, you're probably having some issues with your Cricut Design Space. So I just want to share with you what I do, and it may or may not work for you. If it doesn't work, you may have another issue, or you may need to contact Cricut. If you are working in Cricut Design Space and images aren't loading or just going slowly, it may be time to clear your application cache, better known as cleaning the cookies for your Cricut folder. When you clear the Cricut application cache, you do not lose any projects or images that you have in your Cricut Design Space. All it is doing is deleting all the temporary stored files, and that slows you down. So let me show you how to do it. First, save any projects you're currently working on if you're in Cricut Design Space. Next, close Cricut Design Space. Open File Explorer. Select this PC from the left-hand pane. Then select Local Disk C. Then select Users Folder. Open your Users folder. The name of the folder will change with every computer and user. Next, open Cricut Design Space folder. Then open Local Data folder. Select all the images within the Local Data folder. Then use Shift+Delete to permanently delete those items. Make sure that they are permanently deleted by checking your recycle bin. If they are found in there, make sure to delete the recycle bin as well. Next, just open Cricut Design Space as usual, and that should really help. So let me know below if you tried this and if it helps you. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.